Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Muscletech Whey protein. To begin, understanding the basics of whey protein is crucial for maximizing your fitness goals. This supplement is designed to aid in muscle repair and growth, making it an excellent addition to your post-exercise routine. We'll cover the best times to take it, how to prepare your shake, and important considerations for your diet. For optimal results, timing is key. Aim to consume one serving, typically providing 20 to 30 grams of protein, within 30 minutes after completing your workout. This helps kickstart muscle recovery. Additionally, you can incorporate a serving between meals to ensure a consistent protein intake throughout your day, supporting overall muscle maintenance and growth. Preparing your Muscletech Whey protein shake is simple. For the best experience, use a shaker bottle. Add 6 to 8 ounces of cold water or your preferred milk to the bottle first, then add 1 scoop of protein powder. Shake vigorously for about 20 to 30 seconds until thoroughly mixed. Adjust the amount of liquid to achieve your desired consistency, from thick to thin. To truly maximize the benefits of Muscletech Whey protein, integrate it into a comprehensive fitness and nutrition plan. Remember that supplements complement, not replace, whole foods. Ensure you are also drinking plenty of water throughout the day to support overall health and nutrient absorption. For personalized guidance, consider consulting a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.